In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add investments to your watch list on Google Finance. We'll move through this slowly and clearly so you feel confident following along. A watch list is simply a place to keep an eye on stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, crypto, or other assets you're interested in without buying anything. It's perfect for tracking price changes, news, and key stats in one spot, and your choices will sync across devices when you're signed in. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com/finance. This is the main Google Finance homepage where you'll see market summaries and trending tickers. If you plan to use this often, consider bookmarking the page so you can come back with one click. Next, look to the very top left corner and click the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. This opens the main navigation panel. The layout can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but that icon is always your shortcut to the app's key sections. In the menu, locate Watchlist. It may appear as Watchlist or Watchlists depending on your view. This is where all the investments you choose to follow will live. You're not buying anything here, you're simply organizing what you want to track. Select Watchlist and click. You'll land on your Watchlist page. If this is your first time, it might be empty, which is totally fine. If you've added items before, you'll see them listed with basic details like price, daily change, and more. This page is your hub for quick monitoring. Now click on Add Investment. You might see this as a clear button labeled Add Investment or as a plus icon that serves the same purpose. Clicking it will bring up a search field so you can find the asset you want to track. Select investment and click. Start typing the company name, ticker symbol, fund name, or even a cryptocurrency, and you'll see suggestions appear. Choose the correct result from the list to add it to your watch list instantly. If you maintain multiple watch lists, you may be able to choose which one to add it to during this step. Once you click, the investment appears in your list with its latest data. From here, you can revisit this page anytime to watch performance, scan headlines, and keep tabs on price movement without making any trades. That's all there is to it. Go to Google Finance, open the menu, find Watch List, open it, click Add Investment, then select your investment and confirm. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.